dip, Yutsuke.
Do you want to have restaurant quality frozen ramen that you can prepare right in your own home? Look no further. It's so simple and easy to prepare your own ramen at home. Right here we have instructions for TSUKEMEN from TSUJITA, LA, one of the many options that you can find in the catalog on bestramenla.com. They provide step-by-step instructions on how to cook your own ramen right in your own kitchen that's just as good as from the restaurants themselves. You can find many popular ramen shop options on bestramenla.com. You can use the code NIKKI10 for a 10% discount off of your frozen ramen order. If you want frozen ramen delivered straight to your doorstep, check out bestramenla.com. This is amazingly convenient and incredibly delicious. I hope that you get the chance to try it sometime soon.